Hey, the fuck? What's that? You got beef? What up, everybody? What up, YouTube? You know what time it is. We're finna do another mukbang. Man, I'm doing mukbangs with all type of shit, man. It is what it is. I got that 5 for 5. Wait. No. That $5 deal from McDonalds. You know what I'm saying? Come with the 4-piece McNuggets. You feel me? Put this to the side. I already ate some of the fries, so, you know. But let's see how much we can eat. You know. Because I ain't that much of that KFC. I got McChicken too. I ain't eat much of that KFC. Need that sweet and sour sauce for that child. You got sweet and sour sauce for that McDub. Whatever this is, McDub. Alright. Now, I really need some barbecue sauce for my nuggets. Hey, the fuck? What's that? You got bees over here. I ain't got time. You know. But yeah, the nuggets fire. Nuggets fresh. Feel me? I came at the right time. Around 12 o'clock. Give me some drink. Yeah, the nuggets fire. Y'all had them chicken tenders yet though? The motherfuckers taste just like this almost, but it got some real white meat in it. So I don't know, but I'd rather just have some chicken nuggets than that. Now, if I can't eat all this, it's a goddamn shame. And I'm hungry as fuck, but I probably don't eat both of these sandwiches, you know. Just depends. We're gonna see. Because I know how I get down. You feel me? I know how I get down, you know. It's the McChicken. Oh, God, the fuck? They just slapped a big ass fucking thing of mayo on there. God, damn. Damn. I do not need this much mayo. Wow. You know, I stopped eating these things for like 2 whole years. It was like a period of time for 2 years that I stopped eating the chicken. It was like the motherfuckers was fake to me. And then I came back, tasted it again, shit fire. You know, they just need to lower that price back down to the regular. $2 for this motherfucker? Inflation is at an all-time high. Yeah, I'm getting full now. Let's see. I don't know if I can eat that burger. I'm probably gonna have to I can't eat too fast. Especially, you know, when you ain't ate all day, your motherfucking stomach growling, and you come out of nowhere and you get some food, and you just start eating fast. That ain't good. That make you throw up. But I wasn't drinking yesterday, so I don't know. I wanted to drink yesterday. It was crazy. I just woke up, listened to music, all type of shit. I'm like, man, might as well go get me a drink. Nope. Guess what I did? That's what I did. Cleaned up the house. Found something to do, you know. And sometimes you just gotta find shit to do, you know. I be bored and I be like, fuck it, I go get me a drink or something. But it ain't too much to it. Yeah, I'm full though. I'm gonna have to. I'll be eating my shit later, like about 30 minutes later or some shit after I smoke a blunt. That's all I got for y'all. I'll probably get another bite of this. Yeah, y'all. Another bite. I know y'all be disappointed when I don't eat all my food, but it's my life, not yours. Plus, almost everybody that do food content creation is fat. It's like a majority of these motherfuckers just fat as fuck. Not saying that's wrong or anything, but you motherfuckers know. Shit. Hit the gym or some shit after you do that shit or something. I don't know. But yeah, DuwOp out. I ain't trying to get fat off this shit, you know. My motherfucking stomach and shit. I ain't trying to get fat off that shit. Lord. Alright, DuwOp out. Catch you on another mukbang or another review or another reaction video. We don't know. Let's go.